Welcome to another Little Nest Concept house tour. Today we explore the Privacy Box, a modern tropical sanctuary that embodies industrial charm and modern luxury while maintaining utmost privacy. We start our tour at the front of the house, where the minimalist industrial facade with its rugged charm hints at the stunning design within while giving little away. The striking yellow front door gives way to a serene front courtyard oasis. A tranquil pond reflects the sunlight, surrounded by lush greenery and a shaded veranda that beckons relaxation. Moving inside, the open living room captivates with its modern industrial design. Large accordion doors create a seamless blend between indoors and out, allowing natural light to dance across the space and providing captivating views of the tranquil pond outside. The kitchen embodies minimalism, boasting a spacious island that serves as the heart of the home. Here, a cleverly placed glass window offers stolen glimpses of the vibrant living room, creating a unique connection between spaces and facilitating a sense of openness. This thoughtful design isn't just about aesthetics, it's a practical feature, ideal for keeping an eye on children playing in the living room while attending to culinary tasks. Transitioning to the rear deck, simplicity meets sophistication in this space, perfect for unwinding amidst the tropical surroundings. Its unassuming charm makes it an ideal spot for quiet moments or casual gatherings. We ascend the staircase to the next floor, flanked by the wonderful exposed brick walls, and head into the first bedroom, a minimally designed room from where the courtyard unfolds in a picturesque view, inviting the outdoors in. The adjacent shared bathroom, featuring an ingenious light well, fills the space with natural light while maintaining utmost privacy, creating a serene retreat. We head on to the second bedroom, which maintains the industrial design elements, adding character to the space and offering a view overlooking the backyard. Right across from this bedroom is the laundry room, meticulously designed to accommodate all your laundering needs efficiently, with ample space and thoughtful organization to ensure that laundry tasks are handled with ease and practicality. This room, while currently staged as a laundry room, could also be redesigned into a small tranquil home office. Stepping onto the balcony, one catches a glimpse of the courtyard's tranquility, setting the stage for the grand finale, the rooftop lounge. Adorned with lush greenery, ample seating, and a captivating dipping pool, this elevated space is a haven for relaxation and entertainment. Here, surrounded by the blend of industrial and Moroccan design, one can indulge in a variety of activities. Whether it's lounging amidst the tropical foliage, enjoying intimate gatherings with friends, or refreshing in the enticing dipping pool, this rooftop lounge offers an unparalleled experience. This house is 6.5 meters wide and 12.5 meters long. For detailed dimensions and the full floor layouts of this design and many others, visit us at littlestnest.com. Your dream home might just be a click away. If you enjoyed this video, hit the like button or leave a comment, and be sure to let us know what feature you would add to make this the perfect home for you. And hey, here is another video you might enjoy.